Yes. So you're not doing that?
Yes, because they are put up some.
Okay, so let me
So are there chances that you may do it today or what?
He's doing a presser now. So
I'll address now because you're already here. But I'm being called somewhere by mistake.
Ah, okay.
Ah, correct. I'm rushing somewhere now. So now I'm so I've already called them.
Even also,
how many people are there?
I'm going inside. It's not safe.
And then to me, I would be responsible if you respond.
Many want the airlines to come inside.
No, these are not. These are MDC2. Unless you are denying access, the college can confirm to me the inside.
Right, let me call Honorable Beth.
I think you are available.
Because we are concerned in the safety. Yes, the alliance people are not to come now. We don't.
What you be cognizant of is, as of yesterday, this percentage very clearly that because of the situation that we have, we cannot have people banking inside. So he said, address can be made. For the purposes of the press conference, I think the number of people that can get inside for the press conference is limited, and we can have the press conference also. Not giving the directive.
How are you, Beth?
We are speaking to our unless you want to recognize
I look for record I need to know what can in a harvest house. Oh, no, sorry, you don't correct la. So, what you give me, I can get inside and do my presser inside. Although other people have reservations. So, you put that when I don't guide me, should I go in? You know, correct la. I can get on it. Yeah. So you guarantee myself. Namla.
One day, but if you got Panabatogo of Tindra, Infonema, Sevokinda, waiters are no eater, and no problem. In the Tumbu, Pana problem, it's a little thing duty, Pedogura and the Chancellor duty. And those are so to limit your number and open the which are noise. One of one open the one of my different agenda. Come on, or it's already now, what open a man. Come on.
Aramba. Hicho chintu chanenge inacho.
Ndanga pona ndikapinda guarantee my safety.
Iwe kana pona ndiri kumbani kana kuti.
Kumira idine. Kana basiri sembo kuzati. Zapinde but unofana kuzonera wewe.
Kata iwe ini ndiri kumba.
Saundi fonere. Sero bati fonere.
But I don't want those guys to enter a Yogita. Gorekora Tuguira and Apara, there's another Dynama brother, I don't find instruction, but now Gorekora Tuguira. The press is safe, but why don't you change instruction? That's the problem.
I come in at the room too.
No, this area is taken to but there is another young guy at it, but we have participated one corner around and very safe much. So the SG and national training more way back. Those are down in the but one way young of there's some people who want to
Blessed in the mediator between the priest and
As you blessed? As you? So, so what's the way forward, folks?
But then I got a call from the SU, my senior in the church, and saying if I'm going in, I must wait for them. But God, let me at least do media so that tomorrow when I call them, they come again. Because I'm waiting for the SU, I'm waiting for the church, they are on their way.
Inside this building, on the MDCC, there are no MDC alliance due to which is being arranged. Yes, that are inside our youth who were there before. There are youth that were there before the death of President Sangran. Some 24 districts that were required by that were ordered by the Supreme Court to conduct the Congress.
No, yeah, I'm waiting for them. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. The expressor that I called you for will be addressed by the chairperson and the secretary general.
Can you remove your mask just for a moment?
If I'm going to remove my mask, then I'm going to move better.
maybe those guys behind you might move away.
So for social distancing, I'm going to...
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I
Kugan, stop talking instructions from those ladies, man. Stop.
Kugan, stop talking instructions from those.
You can't give me instructions to hold my mask.
We want to hear you. If people can't hear you, then there's no point.
Shut up, Who are you?
Guys, sorry, pressure. Guys, can we leave? They can address themselves. It's fine. Because if they don't respect us, if they can't respect us,
how can you bring ladies to come and give instructions?
If you can't respect us, then you can go and address yourself.
Matishedza panapa tinakukuya tega panapa. Hatina zvemastructure kuno. Isusu munhu waiti tapedzerana naye. Usapushe journalist kana wamsedza. Usapushe journalist. Usapushe. And don't call us to come and harass us. Matadza mega kupinda umu. Ndimatishedza, we come here for you. Matadza kupinda sota upo. Nai.
Luimo. Vaifana vapindawo mukati vaita press conference yavo sezvese andagadzira zvese samazuva ese ndofunga majournalist vapinda mukati maona kuti mukati tanga tagadzirira and leadership yedu were ready to receive our leaders with respect. Not kuti tingati we are not rude, but we have got a clear position yekuti dai maleaders edu vakwanisa kugara pasi vataurirana matambudziko ari muMDC hatinakidzwe nekuti vana veZimbabwe varambe vachitambura. Isu mayuthi mamwe tine makore akawanda tichitambura tichinetsana kuti ZANU-PF ngaichibva pakutonga. Saka ivo iko zvinenge zvavakuita sevanhu vakuenjoya mari dzamuhomwe dzavo. Saka isu tiri kuti vanhu ngavachiuya kuno tigare pasi, kana vari tichiri panyaya imwe chete toziva tiri panyaya imwe chete, asi kana vasiri ipapo toziva kuti aiwa this building haichisiri politics. Kana tichinzi pata haichisiko toziva kuti vakuti pata haichisiko nekuti vari kurwisana. Kwete kuti ivo tivume kuti varambe vachitaturana. Iko zvinoita vatarisana nemaelections, maby-elections atakatarisana nawo ndeyekuti titoziva kuti igive yatiri kupa kuZANU-PF. Why? Tikupa give nekuda kuti tinoziva tichana nemacandidates anenge achikondesana. Saka isu our time frame semayouth emuHarare tiri kuti tisine challenge yakakura, tisine vanhu vakaitwa marecalls vakawanda. Saka ngavachiuya vanhu vataurirana tinoziva kuti tinoita way forward kukorekedzwa nyaya
Thank you.